had to look for this maintenance solution that's going to be easy for the consumer. A product that will give you longevity, a product that is both eco-friendly, a product that will be easy to maintain. We've got a water-based coating that we apply with a spray finish, but it can be applied with a roller or a brush. Once every 6 months or so, you can just give your windows a little bit of an upgrade or a treatment. First thing you need to do, you've got a cleaning agent.
Yeah.
That's to remove salts and industrial residues, etc. You simply spray it onto the little sponge and you can clean off the door.
Okay.
Okay? Just to remove residues.
Yeah.
That's quite simple. Then, if you want to pass me the next one.
This one, yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
That's a protective emulsion. That will fill all little cracks and crevices that may have been caused through swelling and shrinking, etc. You also spray it onto the sponge and you merely apply it. It's no different to treating a dining room table. There's another one.
Yeah, the small one here.
Yeah. If you have little, this is just a thicker emulsion. It's a protective glaze. If you have any little nicks or scratches that you need, normally use wood filler to fill up. You can actually fill it up with this.
Okay.
And it will fill up the hole, and then you can put your protective emulsion over it again.
Okay.
So if you do this type of maintenance, on the exposed side of the house, you need to do a little bit more. But usually every 6 months, if you do this treatment, and you just clean your doors and reapply a coating, you should get up to 3 to 5 years on the exposed side of a home.
Okay.
Then you simply need to give it another coat of MaxiCare water-based. But the laborious task of sanding, that's gone.
Okay.
You can merely treat this like you would treat your car's dashboard or your dining room table. We put this label that's visible from the inside of the door, so the homeowner has to remove it, and then they'll be able to see all the do's and don'ts, how you maintain your windows.
Okay.
And if you follow these steps, you'll get a lifetime of good use out of it.